Did you know your body has a hidden repair system that can literally regenerate your organs, tissues, and even your heart? It's called stem cells, and these tiny but powerful cells are responsible for keeping you youthful, healthy, and energetic. But here's the catch: as we age, our stem cell activity naturally declines, making it harder for our bodies to repair themselves. That's why we feel more fatigued, recover slower from injuries, and become more prone to chronic diseases. Fortunately, science shows that what you drink can have a huge impact on your stem cells. That's right, simple everyday beverages can stimulate your body's natural repair system, helping you regenerate tissues, protect your heart, and even slow down the aging process. In this video, we'll reveal 5 incredible drinks, backed by research from Dr. William Li, a world-renowned Harvard-trained physician and researcher, that can boost your stem cells, improve regeneration, and help you live longer. We'll also share which common drink you should avoid completely if you want to protect your body's natural repair system. Whether you're looking to increase energy, improve heart health, or fight inflammation, these drinks are simple, delicious, and backed by science. So grab a notebook, stay tuned, and get ready to discover the secret drinks that can literally help your body heal itself. Starting today, Section 1. Why stem cells matter. Stem cells are your body's natural repair system, responsible for repair and regeneration, rebuilding damaged tissues in the heart, muscles, and organs. Slower aging, high stem cell activity supports longevity and cellular health. Metabolic efficiency helps your body process nutrients and maintain energy. Immune support. Stem cells help the body respond to stress and inflammation. Warning: low stem cell activity slows healing, accelerates aging, and can worsen chronic conditions. Good news: certain foods and drinks can naturally boost stem cell production, giving your body the tools to repair itself effectively. Section 2. Top 5 stem cell boosting drinks. 1. Green tea, the antioxidant. Superstar green tea is more than just a soothing beverage. It's packed with EGCG, epigallocatechin gallata, a polyphenol that actively stimulates stem cells. Benefits: stimulates stem cells for tissue regeneration, reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, improves lipid profile supporting heart health, lowers stress by reducing cortisol and catecholamines. Practical tips: avoid cow's milk in tea. The fat binds to polyphenols and reduces absorption. Use nut milks like almond, cashew, or soy if you want a creamy texture. Taiwanese milk oolong tea naturally has a creamy flavor while preserving EGCG benefits. Combining teas, jasmine, Japanese green, Earl Grey, can create a synergistic effect, making the blend more potent than individual teas. Fun fact: green tea drinkers often live longer due to the combination of antioxidants, polyphenols, and stem cell stimulation. 2. Black tea, the fermented powerhouse. Black tea, though fermented, also significantly boosts stem cells, contrary to old beliefs benefits, supports cardiovascular health by improving blood flow, provides antioxidants that fight free radicals and inflammation, improves mental alertness and focus. Pro tip: add nut milk instead of cow milk to avoid blocking polyphenols. Traditional British-style tea lovers can still enjoy flavor without losing stem cell benefits. Extra fact: in Asian and British populations, regular black tea consumption is associated with better heart health and longevity, highlighting its regenerative potential. 3. Coffee, more than a morning boost. Coffee contains chlorogenic acid, a compound with impressive stem cell stimulating properties. Benefits: activates stem cells to repair tissues in the heart, liver, and other organs. Anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and metabolism-boosting effects. Supports a healthy gut microbiome, which improves overall immunity. Scientific insight: UK study, people drinking 2 to 3.5 cups per day had 30% lower risk of death from any cause. Organic coffee contains 3 times more chlorogenic acid than conventional beans, boosting stem cell activity. Tips: drink coffee black or with plant-based milk. Avoid sugary syrups or creamers that negate benefits. Pair coffee with a balanced breakfast for maximum metabolic support. Extra note: coffee also helps the body recover from oxidative stress, which protects stem cells from damage. 4. Dark chocolate, 70 to 85% cacao, the sweet stem cell. Boost? Yes, chocolate can be good for you if it's high cacao dark chocolate, rich in flavonols. Benefits: stimulates stem cells and improves blood flow. Powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. Supports heart health and reduces the risk of cardiovascular events. Science, clinical study, 2 cups per day of high flavanol hot chocolate for 30 days doubled stem cell levels in people with cardiovascular disease. German study, 7 to 12 grams per day reduced heart attack or stroke risk by 39%. Tips: avoid candy bars, milk chocolate, and sugary additives. Make hot chocolate with water or plant-based milk to preserve flavanol content. Choose chocolate with at least 70% cacao for the highest benefits. Extra fact: the flavanols in dark chocolate also improve blood flow and vascular function, making stem cells more effective at tissue repair. 5. Pomegranate juice, nature's regeneration. Drink pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenols and antioxidants that protect stem cells and support cardiovascular health benefits. Stimulates stem cell activity and tissue regeneration. Improves blood flow and heart health. Reduces inflammation and oxidative stress. Supports overall cellular health and longevity. Tips: choose 100% pure pomegranate juice, avoiding added sugars. Can be combined with other antioxidant-rich juices for an extra boost. Drinking in the morning helps prime the body for cellular repair throughout the day. Extra fact: pomegranate polyphenols may also enhance recovery after exercise, helping muscles repair faster. Section 3. Drinks to avoid. Alcohol, high doses. Blunt stem cell activity, impair metabolism, and prevent deep sleep. Sugary drinks cause inflammation and reduce stem cell function. Highly processed beverages, additives interfere with the body's natural regenerative processes. Key insight: even small changes like cutting alcohol and sugary drinks can significantly improve your body's repair system. Section 4. Lifestyle tips to maximize stem cell health. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for metabolism, nutrient absorption, and stem cell efficiency. Eat plant-based foods. Vegetables, fruits, and whole grains feed your stem cells. Avoid sugar and processed foods. Protect stem cells from damage and inflammation. Use stem cell boosting drinks wisely: tea, coffee, dark chocolate, and pomegranate juice. Move daily. Exercise naturally increases stem cell activity, supporting regeneration. Stem cells are your body's natural repair system, and these 5 drinks can give them a boost. Green tea, black tea, coffee, dark chocolate, and pomegranate juice. Avoid alcohol and sugary drinks. Combine with a plant-based diet, hydration, and daily movement for maximum longevity. How to build a daily stem cell boosting routine. To help you apply all these insights in a simple, practical way, let's break everything down into a daily routine anyone can follow. A routine designed to naturally activate stem cells, improve energy, and support long-term cellular repair. 1. Morning activation, 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Start your day with hydration. A single glass of water after waking up increases blood flow, helps oxygen reach your cells faster, and wakes up your stem cell activity. Then choose one stem cell-friendly drink. Option A, green tea. Gentle energy, powerful antioxidants, and catechins that protect your cells from early morning oxidative stress. Option B, coffee. If you prefer coffee, drink it black or with minimal additives. Caffeine increases mitochondrial activity, the energy engines inside each stem cell, helping them perform at their best. Pro tip: avoid sugar during your first drink of the day. Sugar in the morning can trigger inflammation and blunt stem cell efficiency for hours. 2. Mid-morning repair window, 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. This is when your metabolism is most active. If you want to amplify regeneration, take a short walk. Stretch for 10 minutes, drink water every hour. Movement increases blood circulation, which transports stem cells to tissues that need healing. Add a second cup of green tea or black tea here if desired. The theaflavins in black tea work especially well during this time because your digestive system is fully awake and absorbs antioxidants more effectively. 3. Afternoon rejuvenation, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Instead of going for sugary snacks or energy drinks, choose a cell-protective option. A a few squares of 70 to 90% dark chocolate, a cup of black coffee, if caffeine doesn't affect your sleep, or warm water with lemon. Dark chocolate provides flavonols that support blood vessels, which in turn improves stem cell circulation. This is also the ideal time for light stretching, deep breathing, short walks, standing instead of sitting. These micro movements activate your body's repair mechanisms and reduce inflammation from long sitting hours. Evening nourishment, 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. Your body shifts into repair mode as the sun sets. To support this process, eat a balanced dinner with protein, vegetables, and natural antioxidants. Avoid high sugar, avoid processed food. Drink pomegranate juice with your meal or as a separate small glass. Pomegranate polyphenols reduce oxidative stress accumulated throughout the day and help stem cells work more efficiently while you sleep. Bonus tip: try drinking pomegranate juice 30 minutes before dinner to kickstart digestion and prevent overeating. 5. Nighttime cellular recovery, 9 p.m. onwards. Your stem cells become most active during deep sleep. This is when your body repairs damaged tissues and generates new cells. To maximize this, hydrate lightly, not too much. Avoid alcohol, avoid sugary drinks. Keep dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before bedtime. You can also drink a caffeine-free herbal tea like chamomile ginger mint. While these don't directly boost stem cells, they reduce stress and inflammation, allowing stem cells to work optimally during sleep. Mini checklist for viewers. A quick way to remember this routine: morning, green tea or coffee for activation. Mid-morning, water plus light movement. Afternoon, dark chocolate or black tea. Evening, pomegranate juice plus balanced meal check. Night, herbal tea and early sleep check. Daily, avoid sugary drinks and alcohol as much as possible. Small steps, repeated daily, create the biggest improvement in stem cell performance and long-term health. If you found this video helpful, like and share with someone who wants to live healthier and longer. Subscribe and hit the notification bell for more science-backed health tips. Remember, small daily habits, like choosing the right drinks, can help your body regenerate, repair, and thrive for years to come.